Hello, and welcome to the Daily Money Quote. My name's Florian Fritz. I'm money teacher and founder and creator of the Money Hero Tribe. And today we're talking about money quote number 106. And it's out of a book called Bite Club by Rachel Kane. And in the book she wrote, or somebody said, you'd be surprised what people will do for money that they wouldn't do for love. Our money quote number 106, you'd be surprised what people will do for money that they wouldn't do for love. And I thought that fits very well the spiritual snobbery we were talking about yesterday. Because those exactly the same people are probably those that say money is not important and love is more important than money. But they still go to work 40 hours a day or longer, 40 hours a week or longer, to get the money, and they still be happy if they get money and doing lots of crazy stuff. That's why Robert Kiyosaki is saying he doesn't want to work with broke people because you can't trust them, because they would do all sorts of crazy stuff for money. So you'd be surprised what people will do for money that they wouldn't do for love. I think that's a very interesting and a very true quote out of that book, Bite Club. Never heard of it. I think it's something about vampires by Rachel Kane. And yeah, what would you do for money that you wouldn't do for love? And are you happy with that? Or change that situation that you don't have to do crazy stuff for money, but make sure get your financial freedom, build your wealth, that you can only do for money what you really want to do. Okay, that was our money quote number 106. And I'm looking forward to tomorrow and see you again with the next money quote. Bye bye.